This video explains what to do after you request a rideshare and when the driver arrives at your location. There are many things you can do to be safe when starting the ride. After the app matches you with a driver, you may want to share your ride information with a family member, friend, or caregiver. This lets them see your driver, type of car, license number, and place you are going on their phone or computer. They can also see where you are during the ride on a map. This way, someone else knows when you arrive safely at the place you are going, or can help if there are any problems. Stay in a safe place while you are waiting for your rideshare to arrive. When possible, wait inside. If you need to wait outside, try to stay in a place that has good lighting and other people nearby. Don't wait outside by yourself in a dark place. When the rideshare arrives, it is important to make sure it's the right car and driver before you get into the car. This is so you don't get into a car that is not a rideshare by mistake and avoid dangerous people who may be pretending to be rideshare drivers. There are 4 things to check: the car, the license plate, the driver, and that the driver knows your name. Most rideshare apps will give you the name and photo of the driver who will pick you up, the make and model of their car, and their license plate number. When the rideshare arrives, check that the car and license plate are the same as on the app, and that the driver looks like their photo. Then ask the driver through an open car door or window, "Who are you picking up?" and wait for them to say your name. Do not say your name first or ask, "Are you here for Kayla?" because the driver could just say yes without checking. If the car type or license plate number does not match the information on the app, the driver looks very different than their photo, or the driver can't give your name when you ask, "Who are you picking up?" don't get into the car. Cancel the ride and tell the rideshare company about the problem. If everything matches and the driver gives your name, it's okay to start the ride. It is safest to sit in the back seat of a rideshare car instead of the front seat. So remember, when starting a rideshare, it's good to share your information with a family member or friend and wait in a safe place. You should check the car type, license plate, driver, and that the driver knows your name before you get into the car, and sit in the back seat.